Hello everyone. Now we will do question number 3 of worksheet 2, chapter 8 polynomials, DAV. Divide the following polynomials by a monomial using long division method. Also write quotient and remainder. This is the basic of long division of chapter polynomials. So starting with question number 3, part number 1. It is minus 8x cube plus 6x power 4 minus 4 plus 12x by 2x square. Now we can never divide it directly. First we need to write its standard form. So you should see here. First write standard form is. This you need to write in standard form. So first with more power 6 power 4 it will come minus 8x cube. After power 4 the power is 3. Then there is no power of square. So 12x and then minus 4. Now you will start division 6x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x plus 4 and to be divided by only monomial, it is single term 2x square. Now the first term here is 6x power 4. It is to be divided by 2x square. So 6x power 4, this is roughly I am doing 6x power 4 divided by 2x square. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So this is 3 and x power 4 minus 2 will be 2x square. Now this 3x square will multiply 2x square. 3 2s are 6. X power 2 and x power 2 is x power 4. This is minus. This 6 power x power 4 was of plus sign. We need to convert it into minus. If something would have been of minus, we will convert into plus. 6x power 4 is of plus and this is of minus. It will be cut. What will be left? Minus 8x cube plus 12x plus 4. Now in a rough work, you should divide minus 8x cube with 2x square. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, it is minus 4. X power 3 minus 2 is 1, so no need to write 1. Minus 4x in the quotient. Minus 4x will multiply 2x square. It will be minus 8 x power 1 and x power 2 is x cube. It will become plus because earlier it was of minus. 8x cube is of minus sign, 8x cube is of plus sign. They will be cancelled. 12x plus 4 is left now. Now we need to divide this 12x with 2x square. You can see here the power of x is 1 and here the power of x is 2. So division is not possible because always for division to be possible the degree of a remainder must be equal to or greater than divisor. So division will not be possible. So quotient, we will stop the division here only. Quotient, it is 3x square minus 4x. And what is the remainder? The remainder is 12x plus 4. So this was part number 1 of question number 3. Now I am doing part number 2 of question number 3. Third question number, part number 2. This is 5x power 10 minus 9x power 8 minus 9x power 5 plus 7x by x power 5. First you need that something which you are going to make dividend is that in standard form power 10, power 8, power 5 and power 1. Yes, it is in standard form. So directly we will start dividing. So this I have written, and it will become dividend to be divided by x power 5. In rough work, you should divide 5x power 10 with x power 5. What will it become? It will come 5x power 5. You can check by dividing. 5x power 5 multiplies x power 5, 5x power 10. This is a plus, it will become minus. This is cancelled because one term is of plus, one is of minus. So whatsoever is left, that you should write. Now minus 9x power 8 to be divided by x power 5. It will become minus 9x power 4. You can check by dividing, not 4, this is 3. I am showing here minus 9x power 8 divided by x power 5 minus 9, and x power 8 minus 5 is what? 3. Minus 9x cube will divide now this. It will become minus 9x power 5 plus 3, 8. This is negative, it will become now plus, and this is also cancelled. Minus 9x power 5 plus 7x is left. We will divide minus 9x power 5 with x power 5. What is left? Minus 9. Minus 9 will multiply x power 5. It will come minus 9x power 5. Change the sign once again. This is cut. So what is left? 7x. Now you can observe that degree of remainder is 1 and degree of divisor is 5. So degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. So no division is possible ahead. So question is quotient. Quotient will be what? This 5x power 5 minus 9x power 3 minus 9. And what is the remainder? 7x. Now we will do the last part, third part. This is 5z power 3 minus 6z square plus 7z by 2z. This is already in standard form, so division will start. This will become divisor and 2z here. 5z power 3 in a rough work will be divided by 2z. It will become 5 upon 2 z power 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So here it will come 5 upon 2 z square. अब आप 5 अपॉन 2 जेड स्क्र को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 2z से रफ में, 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 5z क्यूब आएगा. तो हेयर विल कम 5z क्यूब. दिस विल बिकम माइनस. अब आप कटिंग कर दो इसकी, माइनस 6z स्क्र प्लस 7z. तो माइनस 6z स्क्र को 2z जो है वो डिवाइड करेगा. इट विल बिकम minus 3z. minus 3z into 2z multiplication minus 6z square. It will become plus, cancel, and this is 7z. Now here degree of remainder is 1 and degree of divisor is again 1. So 7z will be divided by 2z in the rough work. zz cancel. So plus 7 by 2. Now this 7 by 2 will multiply with 2z. 2 cancel 7z. So here will come 7z. It will change into minus. So the complete division is done. What is quotient? Quotient is 5 upon 2z square minus 3z plus 7 by 2. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So these three questions which I have done, These are basic of long division of polynomials. Now, if you have understood these, worksheet 3 will become very easy for you. If you have understood that how to do these questions, then I will put further the video of worksheet 3 also. So you need to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.